Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload a customer list to QuickBooks Online. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're migrating from another system or simply need to add multiple customers at once without manually entering each one individually. First, navigate to the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This icon is your gateway to all the administrative tools and settings within QuickBooks. Once you click it, you'll see several sections appear in a drop-down menu. Look for the section labeled Tools and click on Import Data. This is where QuickBooks allows you to bring in various types of information from external files, making bulk data entry significantly faster and more efficient. On the Import Data screen, you'll see several options for what type of data you want to import. Go ahead and click on Customers. This tells QuickBooks exactly what kind of information you're about to upload. Next, click the Browse button to locate your customer list file. QuickBooks accepts Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets formats, giving you flexibility in how you've prepared your data. For this example, we'll be using a CSV file. Once the file browser opens, find and select your customer list file, then click Open to load it into QuickBooks. After your file is selected, click the Next button at the bottom right corner to proceed to the mapping stage. This is where you'll match your spreadsheet columns to QuickBooks customer fields. Using the drop-down menus next to each field name, map each column from your spreadsheet to the corresponding QuickBooks field. This step ensures that customer names, addresses, phone numbers, and other details end up in the right places. For any QuickBooks field that doesn't have a matching column in your spreadsheet, simply select No Match from the drop-down. This tells QuickBooks to skip that particular field during import. Once you've finished mapping all the fields, click Next again. You'll now see an import summary screen that shows the number of customers about to be imported and a preview of how the data will appear. Take a moment to review this carefully to catch any potential errors before finalizing. Select the customers you want to import, typically all of them, then click Import. QuickBooks will process your file, which may take a few moments depending on how many customers you're adding. Once complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done to finish the process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.